Welcome guys, welcome to Rose Trading Journal. This is going to be my first YouTube video and it's just about me journaling my process in the hopes to becoming a better trader and in the hopes that anyone who's watching can learn from it. So let's get into it. I will be focusing on these symbols: V25, V10, V75, jump 25 and jump 10. So those are the only symbols I'll be focusing on. So the first one I'm going to start off with is V10. So volatility 10. So the first thing I would like to do is identify my highs. Let me just change this real quick to red line, something more prominent so you can see, and this is my low. So as you can see, we're trading within this range, right? You don't really need to look so far out. Well, I don't need to look so far out. I just need to focus on this area right now. So we're clearly in a downtrend because we're making lower highs and lower lows. See? So real quick, I am just going to do my market structure breakdown. I don't necessarily need to do it on the daily because that's not where I'm focusing on, but I'm just going to do it anyway. So real quick, this is our major low, swing high, then still our major swing low, swing high, major been maintaining this levels. So I would say these are equal highs which need to be taken out eventually. Still our major level here, don't know what this is. This is probably another equal low. It's not important, just noise. Equal low, these equal lows got taken out, still maintaining our major levels. So we're going into a downtrend, as you can see, and then these are not important. This is our last swing low. Yeah. Alright, so basically that is it for our market structure. I would just like to draw a key support level here. So know that this level is important. Another thing I like to do is draw a trend line. Right, that is our trend line. I'm just going to draw it all the way to the bottom here, all the way to the top here. Cool. Yeah, that's basically it for the daily. I'm just going to draw a line here to signify a break of structure. Still our swing low, and I'm anticipating this to come all the way up. One last thing I like to do on the daily is I want to mark my previous day swing high and swing low. So this right here will be my previous day swing high and swing low, and that's it for the daily time frame. So I'm going to save this as V10 for 2. So going on to our 4-hour time frame. Come on. Jeez. Dun, 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 dun. I'm not editing this shit out enough. Save. 4 hour. Jeez, low chart. Thank you. Jeez, I really need to fix this. Alright, so on the 4-hour time frame, we see currently that we're entering into our previous day high and low range. So if we get a close, I guess, of this 4-hour candle, we can possibly target this high. But anyway, what I like to do is also draw another trend line from here to here. Right, so what I'm thinking that might happen is that we get a push above here, right to this order block here, maybe a retest back down, continuation up to this major key level here. Yeah, so let's stick to that. But again, we don't do what we think, we do what we see. So we're going to zoom in. I guess that's it. We don't even need to do much on the 4-hour. We just need to focus here. Again, we can possibly do our market structure here. So we see that market the change from an uptrend to a downtrend at this point. This low was broken, so this is where the market structure shift happened. Right. Then it started to push down some more. So break a structure here, break a structure here, broke a structure here. So we'll understand that. I'm just going to identify the swing highs because that's going to be our major levels. Delete this. So this structure is broken. Right, so yeah, structure broken that. Alright, so I'm just going to start with this. With this gray. So these are our major levels. Or probably make it smaller. Right? So these are our swing highs that need to be taken out. So if it is that it breaks this trend line, you know that we're targeting these levels. You know that we're targeting these levels. I don't know if it's going to get that high, but anyway, those are the levels that we're targeting. So save, and then we'll go to our 1 hour time frame. Alright, cool. So now that we're on our 1 hour time frame, we clearly see that we're in a downtrend. So we don't take buys until this trend line is broken. So that is my bias. So currently this is where we're at on the 1 hour time frame. We see a bit of imbalance here, this big imbalance here. Right. I don't really need to put that there, but I'll go down on the smaller time frame and refine it. We see that a breaker structure happened here. BOS. What's that thing? BOS. Breaker structure. Cool. And the last green candle before a major impulsive move that left both a fair value gap / imbalance and also breaker structure is called an order block. So this is our OB, which I'm expecting market to either respect or don't respect. OB 1 OB. Cool. This green candle is also a point of interest. I'm just going to call it a point of interest for now. because I see that the market has been reacting off of it to here, so back to it, to there, so break it. So we either getting a retest from here, go back down, I don't know, or it breaks the point of interest and continues up. So we save this and we'll work our way down to the 15-minute time frame. Alright, so what do we have here? Again, the point of interest, seeing some reaction off of the point of interest here, possibly because of this green candle here, possibly because of this. Can make this a bit darker. So it's just a waiting game. So it's just a waiting game, really, to be honest. Yeah. So we see that this is a double bottom. You either expect a retest, push go up or not. Maybe we just push up, retest, and continue that. We just want to see how price reacts here. So we save again as we go along 15 minutes. And it's just a waiting game. So do a checklist. We know overall is a downtrend, right? We'll draw our major trend line, which is, this is not it, but for now this will be our major trend line. If this is broken, we're looking for plays all the way upwards. Then we just need to see how price reacts here. Yeah, just need to see how price reacts is here. We know that there is a 1 hour order block here. There's a fair value gap here. Look at that. Look at this little plus. This might be an area of interest as well. I'm expecting these to be filled, to be honest. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter. I would enter along. So I'll enter now, put my stop loss below this here. That's kind of a big stop loss, to be honest, and I'm going to target a 1 to 3. One, two, three. I'll probably reduce my bring this back down a bit. Yeah. To cover this. We don't know what's going to happen. It may be just consolidate here and then push down further. I don't know, to be honest. The smart thing to do is wait, but I'm just gonna enter and see how this play out. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. If there's any pointer or tips that you have for me, anything that can help me to become a better trader, I hope for newbies who is watching this helps. This is just how I mark up the charts. This is just my journey, my process. Again, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. I will be making a summary, a shorter version of this video. Alright, thanks again, guys. Peace.